Welcome today to Health Talk. Let's start with cloves, a powerful spice used for centuries not just in cooking, but also for its health benefits. One of the best ways to enjoy cloves is by making clove tea. Just boil a few cloves in water for 5 to 10 minutes. This tea can help improve your digestion and boost your immune system. Clove oil is another amazing remedy. It contains eugenol, which helps relieve toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain. Just dilute a few drops of clove oil with a carrier oil, and apply it to the affected area. By adding cloves to your daily routine, you can enjoy their many health benefits, whether in tea, oil, or as a spice in your food. Remember, moderation is key to safely enjoy cloves' natural healing properties. Did you enjoy today's health tips? Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or health tips. Share this video with friends who could benefit from a healthier lifestyle.